I have two 9x9 mesh, one hot pink and one white. I'm going to take the pink, I'm going to fold it into a triangle. I'm going to take the right point and pull it down towards the front and hold it. I'm going to take the left point, pull it down towards the front and hold it. And this is what you got so far. Holding that, I'm going to take the white and do the same thing, triangle. I'm going to place the hot pink one in that triangle a little lower than the white, and then do the pull down of the left and the right. I found these small zip ties at our Just a Buck, and I'm going to use that to tie this all together. And then I'm going to do a second one. Triangle, pull point down towards the front, pull point down towards the front, hold it, or you can use your clippers from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to get my white 9x9 square, triangle, place my hot pink just a little lower in that white triangle, pull the white right tip down, pull the left tip down, and then tie it with a zip tie. And now we have two. And then you want to make sure you clip off your excess zip tie. And now we're ready. I found this beaded wreath at Hobby Lobby for $3.99. And I'm going to zip tie these ears to the wreath. I like the zip ties because it keeps them staying erect versus if I use like floral wire, they may flop back. But now I'm going to take some floral wire and I'm going to wrap the excess part of the ears to the top of the beaded wreath. I don't want to cut them because I'm afraid that my mesh will fray and I'll have an issue. I found this spray at Walmart and I'm going to place it just at the top below the ears. And I'm going to use floral wire to hold that all together. And really, at this point, you can start decorating as you choose. I found these beads with the little glass bunnies at Hobby Lobby last year. They usually have them. And I found these little floral tips at the Dollar Tree. They came in light pink and then the hotter pink. I'm going to use the hot pink. I'm just going to use one and glue that below the ear. And then I'm going to make a buffalo check ribbon. I'm going to tie that together with some floral wire, leaving an excess part so I could tie it in the backside around the one ear. And then I like to finish my bows off with my pinking shears for a nice edge. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.